Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here I'm going to show you how to use Ome TV. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you use Ome TV here? Well, the first thing you need to do here is you need to open up any browser that I have right now. So in this case, I'm using Google Chrome. Now, in this case, what we need to do is we need to go and search for the official website for Ome TV. So in this case, you just type in your URL here, Ome TV, just press and enter. And you should be able to see the first link here, which is ome.tv. Now, in this case, some users actually experience accessing Ome TV here. So the weird thing here is for some users, when you actually open up the actual website, it's not going to load properly. It's going to be in this infinite loop. So what I like to do here is, again, locate the link itself. Right click on it, click on open link in new tab, and from here just wait for a few seconds, like for example 10 seconds, and once the 10-second mark is up, you can go ahead and go back into your Ome TV account, and from then on you should be able to actually see it in here. So in this case, my camera isn't actually connected yet. That's why it's having this issue here. But once you have your cameras connected, it should detect it immediately in here. Now, first things first that you'll notice on your Ome TV website here, typically at the top left, you should be able to see a pop-up that says allow access on camera. Make sure to hit on allow button just in case if you haven't hit it on allow. You can go ahead and click on the view site information or this specific button here. Go to camera. And from here, make sure that you allow on every visit. Now, once you've done that, all we need to do is basically use it as we would on the website itself. So in this case, you could change your gender here. So maybe male, female, or couple. You can change the country. So in this case, you could go ahead and match with a specific person on a specific country. For example, if you chosen Australia, you could go and choose that. And if you want to get started on chatting with different users here, you can go and click on start here. And that would actually automatically match you with different people. Now from here, you could also change the sound of that person if you want to by hovering over this one and basically change the volume for them. Now at the bottom right here, this should actually allow you to basically chat with them via chat. So they could still see you on the camera itself. And in this case, you could basically have a conversation with them by just typing in here. Now, in this case, at the top right here, you should be able to see your camera. Now, if you want to change a few things, like for example, your language here, and if you want to translate the messages that you receive. Like for example, if you receive something in Spanish, and when you actually turn on the setting for translate message, that text will be automatically translated into English, and you'll be able to basically converse with them without having any issues. But yeah, so those are the basics on how to use Ome TV here, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.